Morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English word meaning session. In this session, you are to learn new words, their Hindi meaning as well as English meaning. First word is priest. Its Hindi meaning is Upadesh Dena, and English meaning give a talk on religious subject. Second word is narrated. Its Hindi meaning is Kathit ya Varnit. English meaning told. Third word slice. Slice means tukra. English meaning piece. Tukra is a Hindi word. So Hindi meaning of slice is tukra and English meaning is piece. Delicious. Fourth word is delicious. Its Hindi meaning is swadist. English meaning pleasant taste. Fifth word is stranger. Stranger. Its Hindi meaning is ajnabi and English meaning a person that you don't know or a person whom you don't know. Sixth word is invade. Invade means Hindi meaning is akraman karna and English meaning is to enter to attack. Seventh word is uprooted. Its Hindi meaning is ukhara hua ya ukhara gaya. English meaning is pulled up. Eighth word is calculation. Its Hindi meaning is hisab. English meaning is careful planning to achieve something or to measure something. Ninth, trusted. Hindi meaning is विश्वास या भरोसा किया गया. English meaning believed to be honest. Tenth word is responsibility. Its Hindi meaning is उत्तरदायित्व and English meaning is duty to deal with. 11th word is funeral. Its Hindi meaning is antim sanskar and English meaning is a ceremony for burning a dead person. 12th word is grove. Grove. Grove means kunj या वृक्ष वाटिका. 13th word is troop of monkeys. Its Hindi meaning is बंदरों की फौज and English meaning is that is a group of monkeys. And 14th word is a fleet of boats. In Hindi meaning is नावों का बेड़ा. And 15th word is funeral honor of king. Hindi meaning is राजकीय संस्कार या राजा का अंतिम संस्कार. In this way you came to know Hindi and English meaning of these needed words for chapter 14th named The Monkey King. You must note it down and get checked so that you can get better marks, not only better but the best marks in coming unit test. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.